The Technology Chief of the Year Award recognizes an individual in executive leadership with responsibility for the implementation and delivery of an organization's information technology. Dan Simpson, Senior Vice President and Chief Information Officer of Physicians Mutual, is our 2010 Technology Chief of the Year. Dan's vision, leadership, and innovation are exceptional. Those traits, along with his uncanny ability to communicate with users and integrators, have led to the successful transformation of Physicians Mutual with the Greenfield program. This program has allowed Physicians Mutual to effectively respond to the marketplace and achieve strategic business objectives through new technology and innovation. Dan's strong leadership skills provided the incentive necessary to propel the IT staff to complete these difficult, mission-critical systems. Physicians Mutual has received numerous awards for projects completed as part of the Greenfield program, including the CIO 100 Award from CIO Magazine.
Dan has developed a vision to upgrade all of our systems to enable us to bring new products and services to market much more quickly.
Dan has been an integral key aspect of recognizing the needs of the business, talking to business leaders, and then figuring out what technology to best introduce.
Dan's Greenfield vision is an important strategy for Physicians Mutual. For us to stay relevant for another 100 years, we need to have systems and technology that enables us to make changes quickly, efficiently, and continue to meet the needs of our customers.
Our business is heavily data-driven and technology-dependent. The efficient use of information is critical to our business success.
Dan's leadership on the Greenfield program and leadership from a technology perspective has brought a lot to Physicians Mutual. He's brought together a very strong team, and the team has been able to keep a lot of projects and programs moving.
What's been especially great for working with Dan is really all about the business. So he's been able to influence me as well as others about the fact that the technology itself is really not cool or great. It's what technology can do for the business that makes it cool.
I think the key differentiator for us is the strategic nature of our business transformation plan. Forrester Research did a study and found us to be in the top 5 to 10% of all insurance companies for the effective use of technology.
Dan Simpson has proven he can balance the components of people, process, and technology with originality and innovation while exhibiting unwavering leadership. Congratulations, Dan, for being the recipient of this year's Technology Chief of the Year Award.